How to see and remove apps connected to Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see and remove apps connected to your Facebook account. So first open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner click on menu icon. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and under your activity section click on the apps and website, and here you will see your apps list. Just click on that. Now if you want to remove any apps, you can remove from here. Just click on remove. So in my case I have already removed all apps, and that's how you can see and remove apps connected to your Facebook account. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.